Soccer DBB number 673, and that is one box of the Panini Prizm EPL Hobby. Good luck, guys. Team's on the rise. Thanks for the fill. Good luck. Let's see what we can get. Alles gut. Danke. Come on, give us a black. We need a black 101. Oh, we got a gold auto coming, guys. Gold autograph. Wow. I think I saw a gold. Not sure if it should be auto because it's upside down, so. Oh, and a Kaboom, it looks like. This is a Kaboom box. Nice. Alright, Thierry Henry first. We got Morgan Gibbs White Hyper. Kaboom coming. Nice. Let's put that one for later. Mariappa for Watford, and blue is Henry Lansbury for Aston Villa to 199. We have Kasper Schmeichel and Willy Boly for Wolves to 75. We got a red Lingard first, and Hugo Lloris to 149 for Tottenham. Prizm is Soyuncu and Yedlin for Newcastle Hyper insert. Alright, let's see. Don't know when to show it. Here we go. Here comes our first hit. Oh, that could be Wolves. Who has Wolves in this? Uh-oh. Joshua King, Bissouma, maybe the Patricio. Maybe the autograph is a gold one. The gold auto is for Wolves, sorry. Maitland-Niles to 199. Or was it more in this one? We'll find out. There comes another. Wow, this will be a Wolves box. Sorry, guys. I already can tell you this will be a Wolves box. Daniel, I think you get a gold autograph for Wolves, but I'm not 100% sure. De Bruyne, got Mohamed Salah for Liverpool, red to 149. Nice. Guendouzi and MacArthur for Palace to 99. Purple. Multi is Theo and Declan Rice Hyper. Alright, so we get, it looks like we get two Wolves hits, and one of them is a gold. So I guess it is either Castro gold auto or, what's his name? Forgot his name, the keeper. Patricio. Alright, let's see. The Kaboom is going out to Christian Pulisic. Daniel Lasco. Wow. It looks like this box is going out completely to Daniel. Wow, nice hit. Pulisic. Not bad. Spent 15 euros and gets 3 hits. Because this is a purple even. Wow, even better. Purple. How about Patricio? Wow. Great box for you, Daniel. Congrats. Number to 50. Patricio autograph to 50. And I think it is a gold auto. We have a gold auto. Wow. And I think it's again Wolves. How about Johnny Castro? Called it, guys. I called it. Johnny Castro gold autograph. Number to 10. Wow. That's cold. Both hits. That's not bad. Should play some lotto today. 10 out of 10. Nice. Congrats to Daniel. Gets a box sponsored by all of us. Congrats. Sorry, guys. That's it for the break. Hope to see you next time. I'm out. Peace.